Hey guys, welcome back to Hungry Geeks. I'm Ethan the Guzman, and here we have another ASUS laptop that we're going to unbox right now. So this will be just more of an initial impression and just unboxing. So this is fresh out of the box. I haven't even opened this right now. This is the ASUS UX434F, particularly a ZenBook laptop that they promised to deliver more of a premium experience on their laptop lineup. So ZenBooks has been around since 2011 if I'm not mistaken, and it's really nice to see year on year ASUS keeps on updating their laptop lineup. So here is a 14-inch ASUS ZenBook laptop. On the box it says it's search of incredible. You have your standard manual, warranty card as well, and just the adapter case. So this is a 19 volts 3.42 ampere charging, so it's enough to carry on more of the premium devices. Anything else here just in case? None. Okay, so that's mainly the whole package right now. Kind of weird that there's no sleeve included in the package for this one. So let's unbox right now the wrapper. So it's completely wrapped in a plastic wrapper. It just feels, and whew, ASMR. Okay, so this is the ASUS 434F. It's a 14-inch laptop, but they were able to fit it in a 13-inch body, and of course it still has its very gorgeous concentric designs finish at the back. So it's really nice. It's a full metal design from the lid itself, so it always resonates where the ASUS logo is. So at the front you have here something different. It's actually their second generation ScreenPad. So the ScreenPad is now actually on this display here. So on the trackpad itself, it has a secondary screen where you can do mostly, it could be a number key, handwriting, quick keys, sheet expert, document expert, it even says slide expert. So what's the advantage of having a secondary screen here? It's actually giving you more flexibility to see more real estate of your display here and here as well. So let's see what this laptop provides. Let's just power on the laptop right now. So this one has an NVIDIA graphics inside, an NVIDIA MX250 graphics of 2GB of VRAM. It's actually pretty decent enough for most applications that you will need a light powerhouse for editing videos, editing photos. It's kind of like a light for gaming, but I won't really recommend it because of the keyboard layout here. This is really more of a productive laptop for professionals out there. So while the device is booting up, let me just give you a quick rundown of the specifications. First of all, this one, the configuration is not a touchscreen laptop. So there are configurations that are touchscreen. For this one, this Core i5 laptop configuration is not. So of course, setting up the Windows 10 is actually pretty easy, but we'll go that later on. So you have here the keyboard, more of a blue and gold plated design theme. On the top is actually more of a perforated design template of the ASUS ZenBook. While at the sides, let's see at the ports. On the left side, we have, of course, the DC charger right now, HDMI out. We have an USB-A and USB Type-C. On the other side, we have the light indicators for the processing, charging, and we even also have a 3.5mm audio jack, an USB Type-A, and a micro SD card reader. Now that's quite a surprise of a micro SD card reader, since most devices right now run on USB-A. Mostly, it's a nice touch that ASUS was able to add a micro SD and include it here. Okay, Cortana, later on.
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
Okay, so this is a backlit.
A few moments later.
Okay, so this is a backlit keyboard included in the package. And of course, the main focus of this laptop is really more on the portability. One, it has Windows Hello on top, so it has the infrared sensor included in the package, where it also has a camera. The bezels are really thin enough right now. I really like how this generation of laptops are getting really thinner and more compact as compared to most laptops in the market. So I just signed in my Windows Hello account right now. It's pretty easy. So it's letting me sign in right now my face for the Windows Hello. Let me just get the recognition. Okay, so it was that fast to assign for Windows Hello, and of course we'll just do more later on in terms of the setup.
A few moments later.
Okay, I just finished setting up the whole ZenBook 14 with the ScreenPad itself. So of course the main highlight of this device is actually the ScreenPad. So the ScreenPad is actually an app utility here and also acts up as a display. So just for example, when I open an application such as, let's say, of course the usual one, Microsoft Edge, and if I hold the window bar and I can put it here on my ScreenPad. So here from the ScreenPad I can actually just scroll up. There will be an option to go home. If I scroll up again, and it can just be a regular trackpad if I do so. And then just in case you also want to use the Microsoft Edge here, it's also possible as well. Of course, having a small display here might be a little bit of a disadvantage, but it's really more for watching videos. So as you can see here at the bottom, I'm already playing a video. Here at the bottom, I am actually on the ScreenPad. I'm playing a video of YouTube here while I can use the display. So just in case you're playing a video while also you want to use a trackpad, it's also possible, but the display will be a little bit dimmer because it indicates that this is a trackpad. But of course, you can put this on top, so you can just throw from this screen to this screen very easily. So it throws most applications easily with more gestures. So ScreenPad 2.0 is actually more intuitive now and more multifunctional, where you technically have two screens that you can manipulate both at the same time. It's really nice gesture where here it could be more of a cheat sheet for your notes. Here can be your output, could be a web browser, could be a file explorer, anything. Actually right now it has no limits in what you can do, and that's the thing that we're going to explore on the coming weeks using the ZenBook 14 with the ScreenPad 2.0. So again, this is the ZenBook 14 in terms of Intel Core i5 8265U processor. It has an MX250 graphics as well from NVIDIA, 512 PCIe SSD. That's really fast already. ScreenPad 2.0. It has a 14-inch display on a 13-inch body. Although it's glass display, I could have wished that they had made it into a matte because it's not even touchscreen. The keyboard is really nice right now, but we'll have to have more time with it to explore on. The body at the lid is really good. This is metal. You can say this is metal as well. Overall build is really nice. It's really portable and it's lightweight as well. So we'll have more time with the ZenBook 14 in my upcoming full review of this laptop and what should be my impressions. But right now, this retails for 59,995 pesos. If you're in the market for a laptop that's actually more of a creative and also portability wise, it's not even more than 1.5 kilograms. It's same weight as my MacBook Pro 13 right now. So I should say it's a nice size in terms of portability as well. So do check out my upcoming review of the ZenBook 14. And of course, if you have anything to comment down below in what should I do on this laptop, let me know in what to experiment. If you have any questions about the ScreenPad, do let me know right now. And of course, comment down below. Make sure you subscribe, and of course, we have a giveaway right now. we are giving away an FC Compact. This is a console right now where you can just connect in any TV to play very old retro games from the family computer era. So I do encourage you to join this giveaway. Make sure you subscribe Hungry Geeks. Follow our Instagram handles down below. I'll put the full mechanics down below. All you have to do is just subscribe and follow. And of course, make sure you tune in. We'll give this away next week. So thank you so much, guys. I know I've been busy from the past weeks, but I'll try to keep up with more content on the coming weeks with more videos as well. And thank you so much for following and watching this video. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching our unboxing of the ASUS ZenBook 14. And I'm Isan de Guzman. Thanks for watching and see you next time.